personal goal. So I think that we all know what we're supposed to be, but we kind of mute it out or dull it out. But one thing that I've always been able to do, and this is something that people can do, and that I literally just heard that this is how you actually make something a habit, is that you need to bring in the pain of what will happen if you don't make a change. So for me, what happened is I started to bring in the pain of the future. So fast forward to the future and bring in the pain of 1 year if you don't make a change, of 5 years if you don't make a change. Then I've always done this thing where I go to my deathbed and I always say, how am I going to feel if I know that all of these gifts and this potential that I can see, that I get visions of, are not reached on my deathbed? And I go all the way down to whatever you believe, whether you're religious or whether you believe in energy, whatever that is. At the end of your life, when you're looking over everything, or when you meet your creator, whatever that looks like, are you going to say, you know what, I just really felt like you didn't give me everything I needed for this life? And we know that's not truth. We know that's not truth. So for me, it's always been to bring the pain into the present moment, but then you also have to bring in the reward into the present moment of if you face that fear. I couldn't think about, what would happen if I failed. It was like I had to think about how fun it was going to be, how excited I was going to be when I got done. I had to think about what I would open up if I did this. I had to think about, oh my God, my whole life I've wanted to perform. And then what I also had to do was say, if I don't do this, how will I feel? Like, what if I never got the opportunity to do this ever again? What if